Hello guys, today we will be creating something new. I haven't seen any tutorials on the internet like this, so I decided to create one of. Maybe we'll give it some idea. Let's see. We're gonna mix a few different transitions, footages, like most of the people using like for one or two. So we will try to mix a few different transitions, and we will see how it goes. I mean, it gives you some nice transitions, and very easy to create also. So you don't need any plugins and stuff, presets, plugins. You just need this footage, and you can create any transitions you need. So let's see what we're gonna be creating today. And one more time. So this transition was created with 4 different footages. Like I used 2 transitions like light leaks, and the 2 transitions are from glitch transition also. So I mixed it 4. So let's create from the beginning now. I'm gonna delete this, and then I have a few folders with light leak transitions. I think it was number 2, and then let's see how it looks like this one. As you can see, just a light leak, It's also used as is, but sometimes it also, if you will use it with if you will mix it with other transitions, it will give you something nice, This is also light leak, so a little bit different light leaks. So let's put them like here, and then I'm gonna use these grunge transitions, as you see, transitions number 5 and number 8. So number 5 is a pretty long transition. I don't want to use this thing, but I'm gonna start from here, but and then like put it here, and this is that end. So I'm gonna shrink it here, starts here and then finishes here. So we need make it a little bit shorter, and then put it a little bit somewhere here. Starts here and then goes like that. And let's put one more transition. It's also a grunge transition. Let's see how let's start it. Oh yeah, let's start it from here, like this. Let's shrink it also, and now we need to go to the effect control and then make it on the blend mode. And blending mode, you need to change this to overlay. This footage and second footage also this was grunge transition. You need to change the blend mode to overlay. Now let's see how it looks. Not bad, but to make it a little bit smooth, we need to use cross dissolve. I used cross dissolve on the bottom transition, like on the here, and this side, both sides, and then also on the second second light leak, I put it on the both on it. So let's see how it looks now. Let's see. I don't really like how it ends at the end. Maybe I can put the cross dissolve, how it's gonna look now. Let's see. Let me see how it looks now. Let's see here. I'm also experimenting with you guys, so sometimes it goes smooth, sometimes it doesn't, but it's really helps you to create something new, and a little bit make it a little bit easier for you to be more creative in this side, in this thing. What else? As you can see, if you will mix all like different transitions, like light leaks, grunge, noise transitions, like glitch transitions and stuff, it can create something very nice. One very nice transition, very unique transition also. Let's see if we will. I don't like how it ends right here, but if we want a little bit longer, maybe we can like be. Okay. It's kind of weird at the end, but anyway. Why is it still dark? I don't like that one. It still becomes dark. I guess I need to make it shorter in the bottom. Let me see now. Oh yeah, this is better. Yeah, this is better, much better now. Yeah. Yeah, guys, this is how to mix different transitions and make it one unique transition for your films and stuff. You can be more creative than me in this cam. I just wanted to show you the example of it, how to move forward, creating a different transitions and be unique in your way, not like copying from others, and stuff, and then just like everybody, because right now a lot of zoom transitions, wipe transitions, very popular, and it's getting annoying because everybody using it and stuff. That's why sometimes it's better to create your way. And so yeah, guys, please subscribe and like this video. You will help me a lot by subscribing also. Thank you so much, and see you later.